Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar addresses Congress party workers at New Delhi this morning. He emphasized the need to be united to fight against divisive forces and unite the nation. He termed the Gandhi family as a sacrificing force to keep the country united.
Congress history is country's history. Congress strength is country's strength. Congress party, Gandhi family has kept the Congress party united. That Congress has kept the country united. Otherwise, our country would have been broken into various pieces. Today I am here to conclude this. I am not a good speaker, I don't know Hindi. I was not a graduate when I contested election. When Rajuji gave me the election, I was just a final year degree student. That our Abhishek is telling that I am a young man. I am already 63. 8 continuous assemblies I have been representing. Almost 37 years I am in the assembly. But one thing I always remember, my basic motto: if you forget the root, you will not get the fruit. I would like to thank Abhishek Singhvi ji when I was being sent to Tihar jail. Abhishek Singhvi with his team of lawyers. Abhishek Singhvi ji, Kapil Sibal and Rothki ji. All three came, stood on the court. The court could not tell no to their voice, to their strength. They brought me out from Tihar jail. After Sonia ji came to visit me in Tihar for the first time, I think she had not seen Tihar jail. To save a party worker, she had come. I should salute her from this dais. After I came out, within few months, few days, the Gandhi family, Srimati Sonia Gandhi, sat together and appointed me as the Karnataka Pradesh Congress Committee President. I did not sleep for a day. I am telling you, with my heart and soul, with all of you. 3 years and hard, we brought a government with breaking a double-engine government. And the history is going on. I don't want to comment. I am standing here as a Congress president still and being a deputy chief minister. Anyway, I thank again Abhishek Singhvi for this great opportunity he has got to all of you. It is not only a political agenda. It is all you have to join together, to work together. I said once again, joining together is the beginning. All of you thinking together is the progress. You all have to work together. Again in 2029, you have to bring back the country back to the shape. Today, Rahul ji, Mallikarjun Kharge ji, the message was clear, not to me, to all of you. What is said? Do you remember what is said? Every hospital needs a blood bank. Today, Constitution, our vote bank, and our right is under big danger. You have to protect that. The message was very clear. All the lawyers in this country who believe in democracy, who believe in this Constitution, to have a advocate bank, legal bank in every assembly segment to save the right of every voter. This is what he is starting his voice on the 5th of August in Karnataka in the Freedom Park. It is my absolute privilege and honor to stand before you to concluding this valedictory address. Perhaps what is more dear to me, to discuss on the commitment of the Indian National Congress. As I said, I have closely watched and heard all the distinguished speakers, thoughtful with big lot of great experiences. Though our leaders may not be advocates, but their experience, lawmakers, governors, chief ministers, party cadres, party office bearers, with their own experience, they have given us a lot of things. We have to take it back. We have to deliver it back. Our generations are looking, our youngsters are looking. Why? To save this country and this constitution. Having started as a student leader, as I said you, I have gone through lot of struggles, grown up, blessings from the party and all of you, wishes. As I entered, you wanted to echo me, give me strength. This is what the leaders look at, but still we have a commitment to all of you to see this country should be proud. Again, with lot of commitment, the Congress party has saved this country. The days will not be long. You all have to look at, have a proper agenda. In 2029, you should see that Rahul Gandhi will be the Prime Minister of this country. This is what your commitment should be. Show me a leader, show me a family which has compromised, which has sacrificed their life, which has sacrificed of power.